everyone. Welcome to all of you in mathematics class. Dear students, in previous class we had discussed about the topic trigonometry and some of the important terms of this chapter such as T ratio are also explained in previous class. Today I am going to proceed exercise 8.1 with question number 2. Firstly, let's quickly recap what you done in previous class. Dear students, in previous class you learned about T ratio, that is trigonometry ratio. Dear students, T ratio mainly 6 T ratio: sine, cos, tan and cosec and sec and cot. Mainly 60 ratio: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Opposite of sine, cosec; opposite of cos, sec; opposite to tan, cot. So mainly T ratio. And also in right angle triangle, right angle at A, right angle at B, in right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, then angle C, opposite side to AB is opposite side of angle A. So this is a perpendicular and this is base and this is hypotenuse. So now I am going to start exercise 8.1 with question number 1. Given that PQR is a triangle in which PQ equal to 12 cm, PR equal to 13 cm. So first you find QR. In triangle PQR at Q 90 degree, so PR square equal to, by Pythagoras, PQ square, that is 12 centimeter square plus, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square, and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter, 13 is 169 centimeter square. PQ equal to 12 centimeter, 12 is 144 centimeter square plus QR square. So QR square equal to 169 minus 144, that is 25 centimeter square. So QR equal to 5 centimeter square. Now your question, find tan P. Listen, tan P equal to sine equal to P by H, cos equal to B by H, tan equal to P by B, and cosec H by P, sec H by B, and cot B by P. So tan P, this angle, tan P, that means perpendicular QR, angle side opposite to angle P is QR. So tan P equal to perpendicular by base minus cot R, this angle, cot R, that means side opposite to angle R is perpendicular, this is perpendicular and this is base. So cot equal to base by P, that means QR minus P, PQ, and QR equal to 5 centimeter. So 5 by PQ, PQ equal to 12 centimeter minus QR equal to also 5 centimeter and PQ equal to 12 centimeter. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12, 12 LCM, 5 minus 5, 0 by 12 equal to 0 answer. Dear friends, Solution of question 2 is 0. And next question is, dear students, question number 3 and 4 same way. So see question number 4. 15 cot A equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. So first you draw a right angle triangle and naming A, B, C at B is right angle. So since 15 cot A equal to 8, so cot A equal to 8 by 15. We know that sin angle A, sin A equal to P by H, cos A equal to B by H, tan A equal to P by B, cot A equal to B by P, and sec A equal to H by B, and cosec equal to H by P. Here 15 cot A equal to 8, so cot A equal to 8 by 15. Cot A this angle. So side opposite to angle A is BC, that means perpendicular, and here base, and here hypotenuse. So cot A equal to B by P. So here B is 8 centimeter and P is 15 centimeter. So first you find H, that is AC. Now in triangle ABC at B equal to 90 degree by Pythagoras, theorem, AC square equal to BC square plus AB square. So H square, BC equal to 15. So 15 square plus AB square equal to 8. 15 square equal to 225 plus 8, 64 centimeter square. That is 289 centimeter square. So H equal to, that is AC equal to under root 289, that is 17 centimeter square. So H equal to 17 centimeter square. Find sin A. So sin A equal to P by H. So P is BC. So sin A equal to BC by AC. BC by AC equal to 15 by 17. And sec A equal to H by B. Here H is AC and B is AB, is equal to AC equal to 17 and AB equal to 8. This is your answer. So dear student, always write T ratio and remember sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Sin A equal to P by H, cos A equal to B by H, tan A equal to P by B, cot A equal to B by P, sec A equal to H by B, and cos A equal to H by P. And next question is, recent, your question 6 is, if angle A and B are acute angle, A and B are acute angles such that cos A equal to cos B, given that A ACB are acute angle. Given in triangle ACB at C equal to 90 degree and angle A and B are acute angles and such that and cos A equal to cos B. So to prove angle A equal to angle B. Dear student, in triangle ACB, angle A equal to B, that means opposite side of angle A is BC. That means BC equal to, and opposite side of angle B is AC. And also cos A equal to cos B. So cos A equal to B by H. Cos A equal to B by H. So here cos A, this is perpendicular and this is base. So cos A equal to base by hypotenuse. That means AC by AB. And cos B, dear friends, given that cos A equal to, since cos A equal to cos B, therefore cos A equal to AC by AB and cos A B equal to cos B, that means this angle. Side opposite angle B is perpendicular AC and BC. BC by AB and AB cancel. AC by AB equal to BC by AB. So AC equal to BC. And AC equal to BC. That means in triangle ABC, AC equal to BC. So side opposite to equal angles are equal. So angle B equal to and BC A. Proved. Dear friends, given that cos A equal to cos B and cos A equal to AB by AC by base by hypotenuse and cos B equal to base by hypotenuse. So AC by AB equal to BC by AB. AB cancel, so AC equal to BC. Since AC equal to BC, so B equal to angle A. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Hence B equal to A. So dear friends, another question you solve in same way. So today's class is over and your homework is do examples questions from 1 to 5. Do examples 1 to 5 of chapter 8. Thanks, have a nice day.